So guys, today we're going to solve like a call communications in SS7. So many people they're going to be do like in web applications like a one phone to another phone. So, like everything in like web artists is like either like in WhatsApp, Telegram, in multiple web applications. Either like in dating sites or etc. things they're going to be utilized as web artists. So today we're going to solve as like a stunt IP tracker utilizing with S7, and we would like to track and try to expose this one. But preferably don't know. I hold like a two phones, like a two iPhones, and I have installed like a two WhatsApp over there, and I would like to try to call both the WhatsApp there, like a simple Python program that demonstrate how peer-to-peer connections like web artists and stunt protocol can expose like IP address and like a private address and uh, their geolocations, everything. So either like you can take like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, X, multiple web applications, either like any type of dating apps also that going to be utilized like end-to-end encryptions for call context, but metadata such as IP address and still leak because of direct peer-to-peer connections. But this tool captures and analyzes like a stunt packets to show how IP address and approximate location can be inferred. So this program is tested like uh, any type of web application. So it was tested only in the WhatsApp at the moment. But the concept applies to any communications and app that relies on stunt for a NAT traversals. So let's we can try to look it out here. So this is the source code as a stunt IP tracker. So how this background is going to be work out here. So in the background, it's going to be work out like a peer-to-peer connections, like WhatsApp call traffic, either like a Telegram. You can consider not only a WhatsApp in that any type of web communications app. Like consider anything else. The traffic is exchanged directly between devices when it's possible. This improves like latencies and call quality, but expose like by public IP address to both participants. Like you're going to be seeing here. I would like to try to show here. So I already cloned this repository. I just type here as ifconfig. So this is my private IP address, but you're not going to be getting out my public IP address. So this is more a drawback here. Now, so this improves like latencies and call quality. Like after you call detect and it's going to be show a WhatsApp to improve their call quality. So like how was the call quality you going to be here a backend by yourself or etc things. So you just need to be report for the WhatsApp. So they're going to be getting out here. So this improves like latencies and call quality but exposes like public IP address for both participants with this tool. So, web artists is like WhatsApp relies on web artists. It's like web real-time communications, the backbone of many modern communications app. Either like you can consider like not only WhatsApp, Telegram, much more web applications. Web artists is even like a Zoom, Google, everything they're going to be utilized as web artists. So, web RTC attempts to build the most direct route between the two devices. If P2P is blocked by firewall, WebRTC used a term relay on server as a fallback. Now, uh, this stunt protocol, like a session traversal utilities for NAT. So that's going to be give like public IP address to the uh, local connected private IP address. Like I have like local private IP addresses 192.168.1.3. That's it. Similar like that. So that NAT hides this local IP address is hides your private IP address. But P2P requires knowing like public IP plus port mapping and stun this session traversal utilities server helps to peers discover their public IP address and port responding to a stun request. Either like WhatsApp or Telegram, either like any type of dating apps or etc. things that clients exchange like a session traversal utilities packets during the call setup. Like if I try to call from my iPhone 1 to iPhone 2, iPhone 1 will send the uh, stun protocol as a packets directly to the iPhone 1 to iPhone 2. So iPhone 2, what else he talking that automatically will exchange with the stun protocol through the network. So there is like a bridge adapter that's going to be connected with your local uh, towers. That local towers is going to be giving you to your WebRTC traffic, and you're going to be listening that etc things, voice, either like video calls, either etc things. Most of the 99% all the works and calls is going to be happen with the STAND protocol. It's not like when it come to any reality like you're going to be do, that is totally different. This is like in the virtual world. So capturing these packets reveals like real IP address and call participants, like who called and what the call person's attempt. That's it here. Now, try to we would like to try to look it out here. Now, I would like to try to look it out here. So I have set up everything here. Let's I just type here as etc thing. So you just clone the repositories, and there is like lot of errors. So you just need to be rectify all those errors and etc things. Then in meanwhile time, I would like to try to open the Wireshark. So in the Wireshark, if I would like to try here as Python 3 main dot help, I have got it here. Now, let me, I have hold a two iPhones. Like you can consider either you have anything else or etc things. Like let it be, it mustn't should be in the same uh, network protocol. Either if you go for like a private address or etc things. So for demo purpose, I just holding like two iPhones. Then I'm just trying here. Now, let me just type here as clear. Now, I just type here as uh, Python 3 main.python. Then I would like to try to read the these things. Okay, here. Then you just put like here as WhatsApp call. So I just want to try only in the WhatsApp at the present. Send dot pickup engine. Okay, I would like to try to open this first. Then I would like to try to open. Now it's going to be okay. Uh, okay. So I have made a mistake. Let me just there is no file over there to read it. Okay, let me just type here as clear list minus al. We would like to try to here to do here as Python main.python. So first of all, we just don't want to go for here as help. So I would like to try to utilize as this one, as I would like to try to put here as interface. So I just need to put like interface as I would like to continue without saving. So I would like to try to quit this. So we just need to try to quit this. Okay, quit without saving. Now try to open this Wireshark. So we have as a this is like ETH0. Okay, interface as a ETH0. So I'm just putting like my interface is ETH0. So any type of other person's like interfaces ETH0, otherwise Wi-Fi 2 or something else, that does not matter. So you can put like as ETH0. So when it go for like Ubuntu systems or etc things, so that is come with ENS 33. So either you can put like your public interface. That's it. Then verbose is I just put like only as a true. That's it. Then after that, I also need to locate here as a true. Okay. Now, this is going to be capturing right now. Now, let's we just try to put here as stun. We didn't get anything else here. Please run this program as a root to capture live packets from the ETH0. Okay. Uh, we got it like somewhat useful information. So I think uh, better let me just try to quit this. Okay, without wasting your time, you just type here as sudo su, enter your password. Okay, now try to copy, just type here as clear. Now try to make it this as true. Now you can observe here. Let's try to uh, enter that. I would like to try to continue without saving. Now let's try to look it out here. Oh, here as again pip3. So we just need to be again here. Source as VNV and bin and activate here. Now it was starting sniffing on the ETH0 as interfaces. Okay. Once this is done as a sniffing, you're going to be go back here. As a stunt protocol, you not get anything else. Here. Now filtering like a stunt protocol. Now we just need to be called like from one place to another place. Let's we would like to try to I would like to try to open my WhatsApp and try to call from uh another thing. Another what's iPhone 1 to iPhone 2. Let's I would like to try to make it as a call. So with the same connected Wi-Fi, I'm just trying to utilizing here. So you may just harding like a voice, a session traversal utility for a NAT and packets. Let's try to we would like to try to look it out here. It's it's getting here, but it's start for a sniffing, but I didn't get anything else like a sniffing here. Let's we would like to try to look it out. So it's still I didn't get anything else. Let's I would like to try to quit this. Then I just try to apply. I didn't get anything else. So I think I was connected with the same Wi-Fi, except things. But let's we would like to try to look it out here. Is done. Let's try to look it out here. So in as I just put like as it's zero, verbose is true, location is true also, but it still didn't get. Let me. I would like to try to call from iPhone 2 to iPhone 1. Let's. I would like to retry it. So you may just listening the voice, like I just getting etc things here, but here I think if this is captured as a stun protocol, either it's allowed to capture or it not allowed to capture. Rescanning Wireshark. Also, we would like to try to look it out here with telephoning as a VoIP calls. Let's we would like to wait for it until this one is end. Either like let's I would like to try to lift it. Then let's we would like to try to wait. Then there is like communication is going on right now with this as stunt protocol as sniffing with each zero. as L is true. So the same thing I have put here. Then I just try here as stunt. Let's try to refresh. So it's filtering the stunt. If this is identified, you have successfully completed for live capturing of the calls, like in the VoIP. So some may some in some cases you may require hardware. In some cases does not require any type of hardware here. So it's capturing from each zeros only, but it still didn't identify anything else. Let's we would like to try to look it out here. So in this case it's not going to be capturing here. Let's we would like to try to close this, then try to apply this. It's going to be resetting all the filters. Now you can look like here. Let me I would like to try to show you here. So once you try to utilize here as try, you can look like here. Like you can look as very clearly, it's going to be identify all the clearance, like detect like stunt packets or etc things. So in my situation case, it's not going to be identify either like a low quality of internet, otherwise it's not going to be detect something else. So it's going to be detect like etc things. You can look like detect like a stunt packets from targeted IP address, public IP address to like private IP address to private IP address, and core network IPs, etc. things. So you can call any other ways, etc. things. So either it's going to be capture only like a WhatsApp, either like it's not going to be capture like WhatsApp businesses. We prefer not to say. Let's we would like to try to test one more time as from the WhatsApp itself. Let me it the phone is maybe ringing. Now let me just try to capture. It's done. Now I just try to switch on this. Now I have switched on this. Let's we would like to try to look it out. Stun. It's still not yet. Like either like in somewhat a real cases you're going to be getting out here. Like etc things. Like you can get like a Republic of India, etc things. So entirely with IP, geolocations, everything you're going to be getting out here. Like everything. Like if you try to look it out any type of which of pickup or etc things which was exposed or exported, then you can get like everything here. You can get like uh, English India, like Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Marathi, etc. things. You're going to be get it out. All the clearance here. But in our case, we fail to capture these packets. So maybe with hardware, we're going to be captured here. But this uh, software developer, he not yet mentioned anything else properly. So with hardware, we can capture everything in the live, etc. things very clearly. That's it. So in next SS7 tutorial, we would like to try to do a more improvement here. That's it here.